Hello everyone, my name is Maninder. I am from Precision Clearing House. I'm here to share my experience. We started with Odoo in 2019, exactly 2020. So this is a brief presentation on my experiences with Odoo. About us, we are an industrial automation company. We are into these are the products that we manufacture and import or trade. So okay, before Odoo, we were using all these software. So as you can see, we're using Zoho CRM, we're using Magento for our B2B website, we're using Tally for accounting, we're using Trello for project management, and even with Google Sheets for inventory analysis. And the problem is that none of these software talk to each other. The problem is that you need to have multiple people who are going to make these multiple entries, and it's a added cost and inefficiency. So we started Odoo, and I got reference of Odoo in 2019. We started in January. We took this decision to move to Odoo. Blessing in disguise, there was a lockdown. We had nothing to do, but we had like 15 days. We were on board Odoo. Like morning, I used to wake up, Zoom calls, and try to implement. 15 days, did nothing but implemented Odoo. Okay, to start with, every business, the basic things are sales. And why I don't understand why all these big CRM manufacturers or ERP developers, why they make sales process so complicated. It's a very simple process. Sales code, receive PO, inventory operation, invoice. It's a very simple operation. And try to do this entry on a SAP or Zoho CRM, and you will try to understand they have complicated. We were on Zoho CRM. My staff, they always used to wait it. There was a resistance. We don't want to work on. But when we came to Odoo, the point is there is no learning curve. It works as if you are naturally doing business. So this was the biggest impact. You enter data only once. You make a sales code. After that, it's a click. You confirm it. There's a click. Now, I think couple of clicks because there is e-invoice. You have to validate that. There is e-way bill. You have to validate that. But again, it's a few clicks. Maybe not more than 3. Your invoices. Then the inventory operation, again, you have to validate. Click, 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 and it's done. You don't have to try to making a quotation on, for example, India's favorite accounting software. I think there are plenty of people who have used that, and you see how it is. Now, there's one huge advantage of Odoo when you are making a code. I think most of the Odoo people, they don't advertise it in a big way. There is a script sign. It is everywhere. Now, if you are making a code, there is a script sign. You can add all the documents related to that code right there. You make a code, send PDF, you receive a PO. You can add that PDF directly to that. You can if there is any customer specific request, you can add there. Dispatch document and invoices are already that code. So that one quotation becomes your micro hub. It's one quotation is like your one mini project. Amount can be small amount can be very huge. But when you have to retrieve your documents, you know where to. If a customer is calling your support team, and he wants to know, okay, this was my PO, which is your invoice number again. Everything is in one. So it is in a way this becomes paperless. Your office becomes paperless, and you know exactly where to search your paper. About inventory, this is one of the best modules of Odoo. There can be different routes about your product. You can either, as a trader, you can buy and sell it, or there can be a manufacturing. But there's one more thing called kit manufacturing. Kit manufacturing is when your two products combine to make a product. So if, for example, A and B product combine to make a C product, and if you have a 20 and 10, so C will show stock as 10. 20 and 10, but as a C product, because C is going to be made from A plus B, so it is 20 and 10, C will automatically show in stock is 10 only. This is a huge game changer because I haven't seen any ERP, any software doing this. The advantage is when you are having, we have a B2B website, and at your backend, when you have the skit manufacturing where A plus B product is making C, the stock is already implemented. You can have n number of possibilities there. You are not worrying about updating your stock because it is done automatically by the. Then all your BO. Now you can have a variant. You can have a custom. A product can have different variants. A product can, you can define your BOM. I won't say bomb. In Gujarat, everybody says you will have to make a bomb. You will make a BOM. So every product you can have a unique BOM, but you can also have multiple BOMs of variables. So one product can have more than one variables, and with all the variables you can define the BOM right thing. So this becomes very easy. We are into custom manufacturing. So this solves our problem in a huge way. You can create specific BOM, you can put customer drawing, you can put our drawing, you can have all the instructions on this manufacturing module. So if there is one product, you can have a BOM, and when you are making a manufacturing order, it automatically picks up the variant BOM that you and simplifies everything. Actually simplifies it. And because of that, we were able to standardize all the custom products that we make for us. As I told you, we have an e-commerce website. Previously, we were having on the other platform. For that, we had to manually update all the stock. We had to manually update all the stock. But with this, because it is an ERP and the backend is all Odoo, so we don't have to do anything. If the customer, this is an order based on our sales module, if we get a confirmed quotation as a PO, which has to be shipped. So this is something, half of the stuff we are not even doing. If customer has placed the order, he has already made the quote and everything, and we are not doing anything. It is done by the customer itself. And it has some very good integration with SEO. You can define all your SEOs here. You can have Google Analytics. You can put your credentials here, Google Search Console, and you can even combine Google Merchant. Not directly, but you can use like Google Sheet to feed the Google Merchant. And apart from that, I think Singh had a presentation yesterday on Shift. But before that also, it has a very simple thing. This is how we have implemented. Customers are going to buy from your product. This is what we have defined how to charge. So if the rate is less than 1, there is a standard rate that is to be charged from the customer, and then there are. So based on this, whatever customer is ordering on the website, it will be added automatically based on the rate. Okay, my suggestion to whoever wants to implement, minimize your customization because there is a good opportunity for you because Odoo is a multi. They have the best practices already. So think about things that you can adapt to the standards. Keep your customization to minimum. Implement in batches. Like once you may go like accounting, sales, purchase, inventory. Don't go for everything together. Later, second part you can implement HR and all those stuff. So do it in batches. Don't go in like in one go. And use the knowledge app. There's a knowledge app on Odoo now, which is pretty much like Notion if somebody has used Notion. It is very much like that. And on that, you can have SOP for the new users, how to use. You can have the instructions. Use that and ask your if people, your own people have to be trained, tell them to go through this, and this can be your SOP. Your all SOPs can be on the knowledge app. Because this is a newer app, not many people are using it, but it works. Thank you. These are my contact details. If you want to contact me later, or if you want to talk to me regarding if you have any questions, I'll keep it short because it's the lunchtime now.
Thank you very much for the great insight. In the current journey, actually, you implemented in 2020 almost within 15, 20 days, and now 2024, correct? The module which you have started initially, maybe the inventory or the basic, the CRMs and everything. So how many modules you are using?
I'm not using project because that is for service. Not using HR as of now, but most of the modules I'm using manufacturing. Apart from the necessary modules like sale, purchase, inventory, accounting, these you have to.
So you, in manufacturing, because the season bearing is manufacturer also in trading.
Yes.
So in the terms of manufacturing, the bomb creation, the store and everything is currently your.
It is very simple. It is very simple. I mean, you have a specific question on inventory?
Yeah, no, actually in the
When you are into inventory module, you can give a route to a product, and you can have multiple routes. One product you are manufacturing, but in case you are overloaded, you want to buy outsource that, you can do that. And the third, which I already told, is a kit manufacturing. Like simple, two products together when packed. That way, it's not a combo basically, but in case there is a housing, there is a bearing, it fitted together. It's not a manufacturing, but it's a kit manufacturing. So they have all three options, and you can have all three or one.
Okay, in the manufacturing, other than manufacturing, because you are managing the plant, right? So any specific requirements related to the IoT or the WMS specific requirement do
We
you?
don't have, but I have seen the videos. IoT have a good implementation. You can get to the team. I've seen those videos because I am a tech enthusiast, so even if it is not my requirement, I keep a check. Okay, what is happening? So I've seen the videos for IoT. It is possible. You can with your IoT you can manage, you can integrate it with you.
Thank you, thank you.
Any other question? We will get to lunch. Thank you so much.